Alright, today Dad has to get the motorcycle serviced, so I am going to join him on a little bit of a ride and I will record what I can. Hopefully it will be enjoyable. I don't know the route that we will be taking, so hopefully it'll be a good one. I don't know. I hope you enjoy the video no matter what it is. I just wanted to go because, you know, it's nice and warm. It's like, I think the high today is 96 or 97. It's a heat wave. When I am recording this, so yeah, it's nice and warm, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Hopefully I don't get sunburned. I'm gonna put on a lot right now. But yeah, it should be a nice ride, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. I'm all sunscreened up. It feels disgusting with clothes on. I really absolutely hate this feeling, but it's worth it to not get sunburned. Also, I wanted to show you, I wear these things. It's a little satin bandana from Old Navy to protect my bleached hair and my helmet. So and now I'm a pirate. But yeah, I just wanted to show that real quick because this is how I protect my bleached hair, because I've done it once so far. This is how I'm going to be protecting it from here on out because I don't want to ruin my hair. There is a thunderstorm outside, so I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a lot of thunder happening, and now it's starting to rain pretty heavy. I just remembered to do the ending video. I hope you enjoyed the ride and everything. The bike service, whatever it was called, took probably about 3 hours, which honestly wasn't bad. It was very nice waiting, so yeah, I didn't mind at all. It was a nice place. I hope you enjoyed the ride video, what I took of it. Yeah, it was just a really nice day. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you, Father. The heat also, the little thermometer thingy on the bike said 101 at one point. That was the hottest on our way back. It didn't feel, I know I'm used to Florida heat, but it didn't feel like it felt like 101 degrees. I was sweaty, yes. It was warm, hot, yes, whatever. But I didn't once feel like I was overheating or like I was dying from the heat. It just felt good. It didn't feel like my skin was melting off, basically, which is the heat that I'm used to. So yeah, it wasn't bad. It just felt really good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for the ride, Father. I really enjoyed it, and I'm really glad I got to go along. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Thanks again for watching. Bye!